Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily and I create makeup videos, tutorials, all that kind of thing. So if that is something you are interested in, then make sure you subscribe. So today I am on day 6, I believe, of the Advent Calendar. We are going through the Advent Calendar every single day this month and creating a tutorial using the product of the day. So this is today's look. It's very nice and bright. It's a halo eye for once, because all I've done so far is cut creases, and I thought I would do a halo eye for this look. So yeah, this look is using the NYX Professional Makeup matte lipstick in the shade Fluff Piece, which is this gorgeous like hot pink colour. It's very out of my comfort zone. I'm not a big hot pink lover, but yeah, if you want to see how to recreate this look and see what I do with this lipstick, then carry on watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below your favourite winter beverage, because you know me, I love a good beverage. So yeah, let's get on with the tutorial. So this look is kind of bright, but it's a lot more subtle and simple than all the other ones I've done so far. So it's just kind of like pink with a halo eye, because I've done cut creases every single look so far. So I thought I would do something different. I have already primed my eye with the I Got the Power All Day Eye Base from W7, just because it's probably boring hearing me say that I use the Urban Decay one every single time. And I'm going to start by going in with my Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, and I'm going to take this first shade here called Star Power. So I'm just going to take this on the same brush I used yesterday, and I'm just going to use the same technique, and I'm just going to start patting this through my crease. And we're doing like a round shape today, so I'm just going to keep it within the crease in a rounded shape. I'm just going to pat this on. I'm also just going to take a bit of this creamy colour called China White, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this colour and just go under the brow as well. I'm then going in with a clean brush. This is the base shadow brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to go in between the China White and the pink and just blend those edges. I'm then going to go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take the shade Love Letter, which is this nice pink colour. It's kind of a bit deeper. It's just a bit deeper and not as bright, so I'm going to take this on the brush that comes in the palette. Ooh, almost dropped it. And I'm just going to place this on my outer corner and my inner corner, because we're doing a halo eye, so this is going to add a bit of dimension without it being so obvious. I'm just going to take some concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm using this brush again, and I'm just going to cut myself the halo eye shape. So I'm going to start by doing the stripe first, look up, and then I'm just going to do like a semicircle shape. Okay, so for the centre I'm going to use this same pigment I used yesterday. This is the Pearl Pigment in Mauve Pearl from the brand that I can't pronounce, it seems. So I'm just going to spray my brush. This is a Smudge brush from Real Techniques. So I'm just going to spray this and wet it. And then I'm just going to dunk it into the pigment. Work it into the back of my hand a bit, just to check that it's like blended, because these are quite like chunky pigments. And then I'm just going to start applying this onto the centre of the crease bit, just like that. As you can see, halo eyes aren't my forte. I've only done them like once, but if you're better at doing halo eyes, then you know, it's quite a simple look to do. Then on a flat liner brush, which is just this really tiny detail brush, I'm just taking some glitter glue. This is the Paint Glow glitter glue. This is just the one I use always, just because it's the only one I have. And I'm just going to push this into this kind of upper bit of the halo eye. And then also just a tiny bit down the centre. And then I'm taking this glitter called Brat. I'm taking this glitter called Brat from Becca Lashes, and I'm just going to apply this where we put the glitter glue. So this is the glitter we just used. It's this bright kind of like hot pink with green iridescence, and these are amazing. They're only 79p. So the lashes I'm going to try are these from Eldora. These are the these are the M116 lashes. So as you can see, these are more like voluminous in the middle. They're quite wispy. I've not used these ones yet. I got sent these and the ones I used yesterday, and I haven't used these ones yet, so I'm going to try these, and yeah, I'm really excited to try them because they look super wispy. Okay, lashes are on. I am obsessed. Every time I put lashes on, I feel like if the look looks a bit off, it instantly looks better. Like, my halo eyes were looking a bit off before, but they look so much better with lashes on. I don't know. I think it's just the definition that it gives, and the fact it kind of covers it up, but it kind of doesn't. So, like, you know, it still looks cute. I really like it. So I'm going to move on to the face right now, because that's what comes after the eyes. I'm going to use the same foundation I used in yesterday's video, just because I really, really liked it, and I was really shocked. Like, I've used this before and I didn't really get on with it that well. Like, I thought it was good, but I didn't think it was like mind-blowing. But I really, really liked it when I used it with a brush. So I'm just going to apply this again. I'm not using primer today because I just realised I hadn't put it on yet. That's the only reason why. That's the only like time I put primer on, is when I remember to put primer on. Otherwise I just don't, because I just forget. I'm a forgetful human, and it's too late once I've already put my foundation on. So we're not going with primer today.
Hello?
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 Oh hi.
Oh hey!
Oh, how are you? Same.
Hello people!
I look how pale.
Oh gosh. You don't look like that in real life.
Good. I'm more tanned than you in real life. Okay, so I've just cream contoured and put my concealer on. Ah! I dropped it. Used the LA Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Chloe is obsessed with this. If you don't know her, Chloe Sumner. And she raves about this. So I bought it, I tried it out, and I love it. Like, I love it. And then I'm just going to bake using the Airspun powder in Naturally Neutral. I never actually knew that we had one that had a shade. Mill.
Yeah.
I never actually knew it had a shade.
It has a shade.
I thought it was just like
Translucent.
translucent.
No, there's like a bunch of shades that are the same, but not.
Could have got the coverage one, you know. I need the extra coverage. For bronzer, I'm going to use this one, which I haven't used in forever. This is the Natural Dazzle Compact by Barry M. And I'm just going to go over my cream contour with that. Oh, I didn't use my cream highlight. I'm just going to do it on top of my powder. So for highlight, I'm going to use my highlight from Aloha Glitz called Princess. This is the one I created a couple months ago, and it's just like a really nice pink toned colour. So I'm just going to put this on my cheeks, and I'm just going to blend this with the liquid highlight brush from Real Techniques. And any excess I'm just going to put on the tip of my nose. This brush is like pointed, so you can use it on your nose as well. Then to go over that, I'm going to use the same highlight I used yesterday, which is the Revolution Baked Highlight in Peach Lights with a Morphe M510. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I'm super lazy when it comes to lower lash line. I have a piece of fur on my brush, and I just take the same brush I used in my crease and I just run it along my lower lash line because it always has extra product on it. So this is what I do for most looks. And then just going to apply the lipstick, and this is the matte lipstick in Fluff Piece. and it's this gorgeous hot pink colour. This isn't a colour I usually use, like I'm not really into bright pink lips, but you know, it looks cute. So that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below. If you haven't already watched all my other videos, they will be linked in a playlist down below. And yeah, I will see you all tomorrow.